My name is Aditya Kotak. I study in BSc Biochemistry. Namaste. I would like to recommend each one of you to attend this happiness and wellness workshop. Because I have gained a lot of clarity about life after attending this workshop. The things I had confusions about, they got cleared a lot. In these 3 days of workshop, we had discussions on the following 3 topics. First topic was our mindset. I have been able to understand the mindset of other human beings. Secondly, I gained the clarity that staying alive and living are 2 different things. I had a notion that I was living, but in fact, I was just alive. Whatever I have gained an understanding in this workshop on right living, I will definitely apply in my living now on. Third thing I understood was that every human being on this earth has in reality one and only ultimate goal, that is happiness. We may take different ways to get there, maybe long-term or short-term. Ultimately we aim for happiness in our lives. We had a perception that all these aspects are ideal in life, but the fact remains they are not ideal. We just need to understand how to get there. I may fall short to express my learning in this brief feedback, but I can definitely say from my own experience that do attend these workshops. This will help you gain a lot of clarity of life and living, and you will be able to sustain in your life.